Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about the changes in technology on demand. So now you can have this kind of topic in 12th standard also when you have a chapter law of demand analysis. In that also this can be one of the point which is determinants of demand. So now we can see there are several points like price, income, taste, habits, government policy, etc, etc. So this is one of the point, that is how changes in technology change the demand. So today we are going to only talk about this particular point. So now I have made this notes, so I will be reading out the points and I will be explaining to you all. When technology improves, productivity improves, supply increases. This we know that जब भी टेक्नोलॉजी जो है वो इम्प्रूव होता है, प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ जाता है. एंड व्हेन द प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीजेस, सो इन लेस टाइम यू कैन produce large number of commodities. So in that case supply also increases. Okay, so it leads to more products in the market. So obviously if you're talking about soap or if you're talking about toothpaste, so under toothpaste also there are so many brands of toothpaste which comes into the market. New brands of toothpaste come into the market. If you talk about soap, so under soap there are so many firms which comes with the different titles of soap. Different brands of soaps come in the market. So these are the related products, student, and the utility is the same. To clear yourself, to clear your teeth, these things can be used. तो एक इंडस्ट्री होता है, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे फर्म होते हैं जो रिलेटेड कमोडिटीज़ बनाते हैं. उनकी यूटिलिटी जो है वो सेम होती है, लेकिन उनके जो है वो क्वालिटी और विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू साइज़, शेप, कलर, पैकेजिंग, ये सारी चीज़ें थोड़ा सा एक दूसरे को डिफ़र करती है. अदरवाइज इट्स द related products. Okay, so like that only we are going to talk about the technology also. Options are large in number in front of consumer. तो जाहिर सी बात है, when supply increases, options will be more in front of consumers and consumers can enjoy a large amount of portion. So motto of the producer here will be how to capture maximum portion of market. अब because we have so many competitors in the market, so every competitor's motive is gonna be how to capture the market by their product. As a result, many related products comes in the market with low price, with either same feature, quality और similar. तो बहुत सारे products जो है वो market में आते हैं जिसकी utility same है, या तो same features और quality इसके साथ आते हैं, और else थोड़ा बहुत slightly difference होता है, but the utilities are same for their two commodities. Now, due to increase in use of technology, supply increases, producers have to sell maximum products, but with high price, it's difficult to get the attention from the consumer. अब क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ गया है, सप्लाई इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग, सो यू हैव सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स इन द मार्केट. वी हैव perfect competition in the market, so many products come in the market, consumers get lot of option. So obviously consumer will move towards the low price commodity, because almost all the commodities are giving them the same utility. I'm talking about a related products. Okay, almost all the commodities are given the same utility or a similar utility, so that doesn't matter to the consumer. They will definitely go for the low price products. Now, so when technology improves, supply increases. Producers have to reduce the price to increase the sales. So as per the law of demand, when price increases, demand will go down. When price decreases, demand will go up. So इस law के हिसाब से when the technology improves, supply also improves, that means increase. So producers have to reduce the price. So if the producer wants to have maximum sales, so he needs to reduce the price to capture the attention from the customers. So when two products have same utility, then consumer would prefer low price good. Okay, so जब दोनों की same utility होती है तो consumer prefer करते हैं कि हम कम price वाले goods की तरफ जाए. Now you can see here I have given the example. Laptop, tablet. So this is one of the example which I have taken. While technology improves, quality improves. Lower the price for laptops. Always remember, whenever technology increases, the price of the product will go down. Okay, technology also create the market for tablet with equal performance to laptop. Okay, so now we have tablet, we have laptop, both are giving us the same utility, but tablets are of low price and laptop are of high price. So demand for products always keep adjusting as per the consumer's taste and preference. So now here's the summary. Laptop, tablet, both of them give the same utility. Laptop is high price, tablet is low price. Laptop is comparatively less portable. Portable means you can easily carry, or you cannot easily carry. So comparatively less portable, that means you cannot easily carry your laptop, or you cannot easily take your laptops anywhere. But tablets are highly portable, laptops are heavy, tablets are light. Laptop cannot be used as mobile phone, and but if you are, when you are buying a tablet, so that can also be, that can has a dual use. You can use it as mobile also, and you can use it as you normally use the laptops and computers. So now when we compare this two things, so likewise consumers also compare tablet and laptops, and even the very attractive point is tablets and laptop both are giving same utility, but the prices are very different. Laptop is of low price, and laptop is of high price, and tablet is of low price. So the consumer attraction will go towards tablets. Okay, so maximum number of consumer will get attracted towards tablet. So the attraction will be more towards tablet, and attraction will be less towards laptop. I hope you have understood. Thank you.